how to see all the channels in Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to see all the channels in Discord. So for that, just open your Discord account, and after that just log into your account. All you have to do is just see all the channel that you are part of, and if you want to join any other channel, you just have to click on this explore and discovery servers, and here you will be able to see all the communities and channels available in Discord. And you can also go ahead and search the channel that you are looking for in particular, and go ahead and look for that particular channel that you are looking for. For example, if you want to join any of the channel showing on the screen, all you have to do is just click on that particular channel and read the rules and regulation if there is any, and after that just click on join from the top, join Deep Rock Galactic. And if you're not interested, and if you want to look for the particular channel that you want to join, you can anyways go to the discovery explore communities search bar and search for the channel. And you can also from the left hand side look for the gaming and music channels and education, science and tech, entertainment, and other options, so you can explore them as well. So this is basically how you can see all channels in Discord. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.